Good afternoon. I just wanted to point out a couple of things about normalcy. Um, you're seeing exactly none of normal. Nothing in any of these frames is normal. So there you go. Do you see the crunch getting worse and worse every day? Do you? I hope so. I hope you're getting ready. I hope you're in your hearts and playing with your little magnet field lines, just like this lady right here, because your magnet is just like hers. And it requires you to become the same frequency as her so you can stack and become shield 2 and stop all this madness. Although right now it's nothing she can't handle. This is what planets do. We are fixing to jump boats. This may be a little more exciting than you and I had planned on in our lifetime, but guess what? Here we fucking are, and you'd better deal with it sooner than later, folks. This channel here, I have completely stopped giving updates on. I'm downloading to this channel because anybody on this channel needs to work their way through the oldest fucking videos here. Do not skip one and meet me back at the top. Then you can come over to my catfish corner and look over there. See all these daily updates, but I would suggest if you want, because all we do over here and all we've been doing is sitting here furthering the investigation. Everything we have discovered over here ends up on Angry until this day. I see a bunch of you have made it over here. That's cool. There's still a bunch of people over there wondering where the catfish's corner is, and that's kind of funny. So here's Sean again. He's obviously in with Robert Lockwood and Thoughts and Memories, who's one of Derek Brose's characters. Now I've got you guys over here defending me, and that's cool. But I just want to let you know, this guy has a NASA fucking emblem with shill written across it, and he's working with known Five Eyes trolls, people. This guy is in the employ also of Derek fucking Bros. And he's going through this video where Steve Olson at WSO is talking about the moon flip, and he's got pictures from all over the globe. And this guy here's acting like I'm the one that took these pictures to doctor them up for you and make people believe shit. Like you can't go out in the fucking night and watch the fucking moon rise like a little frown and see over the course of 12 hours it has rolled 180 degrees and sets like a little grin. This guy has obviously never done that because you have. Watch, I'm going to give him a thumbs down over here. This kind of person right here, I can't honestly, because he just came out of nowhere, but all the players are starting to show up on his page. So it's, I mean, come on. I've played this game for fucking years. This guy is one of Derek Brose's fucking minions. See the guy in the Armani suit? That's Derek Brose. See his more known, lesser influential partner is Bill Gates. This guy, Derek Brose, is running around in the desert acting like a rogue preacher. He is sitting here addressing Congress about the benefits of fucking spyware on behalf of Microsoft because he is Microsoft's CEO International Division, Paramount Pictures Vice President, billionaire, mogul. Shit. For years, that motherfucker has sent people after me because of this little emblem here on the back of their movie screens and this matching. Okay, I didn't know what the fuck they were trying to tell us without telling us anything, but I figured it out. It's over here. on my video page. Oldest first. Don't fucking miss one. If you want to know what the goddamn controllers of this planet have wanted you never to know. So you start here and you don't skip one. You don't fucking talk to me. You don't ask questions. You just go through and learn. And I mean learn. I will send you to medical places. I will send you to people that hate me to go learn this knowledge because you need it right now or you will surely die. That was written in your book. You're just going to have to fucking accept the fact that we are reading our old language now. And if you want to know who you are, and what you can do about this situation, you will begin here and you will end up on the top of my fucking page, knowing every fucking thing I do without asking me the first question. Have fun, people. I have put tens of thousands of fucking hours into this, proving what we were reading on the walls. Proof. Not fucking theory, not fucking throwing stupid shit at you. I'm giving you contract and proof. I'm giving you IR spectrum. I give you ferrocells from Ken Wheeler and all other people. A lot of other people. Not me. Not me. I'll send you elsewhere. Established sites, medical sites. Take you through it and prove every fucking thing we were writing on those walls. If you don't want to know, then you're on the wrong fucking channel. Good luck. We need magnets over here. There is not one magnet on this planet worth more than another. We're all equals in creation. Get with it, folks.